Now moving on to the third lesson, Tritiyaha Pathaha. Shri Lakshmanaya Namaha. Lakshmanaha Dasharathasya Anyaha Putraha Asti. So Lakshmana Dasharathasya of Dasharatha, Anyaha another, Putraha son Asti. So Lakshmanaha Dasharathasya Anyaha Putraha Asti. Lakshmana is another son of Dasharatha. Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana, Mata, mother, Sumitra. Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. Sumitra is the mother of Lakshmana. Sumitra Dasharathasya Nya Bharya. And Sumitra, Anya means another, Bharya is wife. Dasharathasya of Dasharatha. So Sumitra is another wife of Dasharatha. So Sumitra Dasharathasya Anya Bharya. So here we saw Anyaha Putraha. So other is the adjective for son. So another son. So Putraha is masculine. The word Putraha is masculine. So therefore the adjective is also masculine. So Anyaha Putraha. But the same meaning here the adjective is in feminine. Anyaha is not used because Bharya is feminine. So therefore the adjective also has to be in feminine. Hence it is Anya Bharya. So there we see Anyaha Putraha and here we see Anya Bharya. Ramah Dasharatasya Putraha. Lakshmanah api Dasharatasya Putraha. Dasharathasya of Dasharatha, Putraha son. Ramah Dasharathasya Putraha. Rama is the son of Dasharatha. Lakshmanah api is also Dasharathasya of Dasharatha, Putraha son. Lakshmanah api Dasharathasya Putraha. Lakshmana is also the son of Dasharatha. Tasmat Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata. Tasmat is therefore Ramaha Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Bhrata brother. Tasmat Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata. Therefore Rama is the brother of Lakshmana. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Priyaha. Ramaha Rama Lakshmanasya of Lakshmana Priyaha dear or favorite. So Rama is the favorite of Lakshmana or he is extremely dear to Lakshmana. Lakshmanaha api Ramasya Priyaha. Lakshmanaha Lakshmana api also Ramasya of Rama Priyaha favorite or dear. So Lakshmanaha api Ramasya Priyaha. Lakshmana is also the favorite of Rama or is extremely dear to Rama. Rama Lakshmanabhyam Namaha. So salutations to both Rama and Lakshmana. Rama and Lakshmana, again we see the dual is employed here and Chaturthi Vibhakti because it comes along with Namaha. So whatever word appears along with Namaha, the Chaturthi Vibhakti of that word is used. And because we are talking about two entities here, Rama and Lakshmana, the dual is used. And along with that, the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So the usage is Rama Lakshmanabhyam Namaha. Okay, let us once again read this lesson. Tritiyaha Pathaha Shri Lakshmanaya Namaha. Lakshmanaha Dasharathasya Anyaha Putraha Asti. Lakshmanasya Mata Sumitra. Sumitra Dasharathasya Anya Bharya. Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha. Lakshmanaha api Dasharathasya Putraha. Tasmat Ramaha Lakshmanasya Bhrata. Ramaha Lakshmanasya Priyaha. Lakshmanaha api Ramasya Priyaha. Rama Lakshmanabhyam Namaha.